I'm gonna teach you how to make a Beyblade. Now to start, press File, New, Reload Start of File. Now press Add Mesh, then press Circle. It's in the tab, then press EZ, make it like that, and press E Escape, press S, E Escape again, make that up, press E Escape, make that EZ like that, now press E Escape again, make that big, then press EZ like that. Now press E Escape, press S, just make it like this circle, then press 7 on the numpad, make like this circle, then press F to make a face. Now press A, then from edit mode to object mode. You see we haven't finished the Beyblade. Press from object mode to edit mode, then press from the vertex to faces. Now let's press 10 of the faces. Press 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then let's do one time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then press E Escape, press S. Now press Enter. Now press Shift Alt. Press Shift Alt. Select all of these. Press Shift Alt again. Press these two. Then press P Selection. Press Tab. You can definitely see this is not in the circle. Then press Escape. Then go to the modifier button. Press Add Modifier. Press Add Modifier Subdivision Surface. Make that to 2. Open this and make it Apply. Then press Smooth Boot. Press to this. Press Add Modify Subdivision Surface 2. Make that to 2. Make 3. Apply. Then press Smooth button. Now we will make a material. Before we will make a material layer, press to the tab, press to the vertex, press Shift Alt, make E S and EZ like that. Now press Add Mesh UV Sphere. Press the tab, press S, make that down with the Z button like that. Now press Smooth. Make that S, alright, like that. Make that up, Smooth button. Now let's make a materials. Now press to the circle, go to the material button, press New button. Let's name that Blue. Now press from diffuse to mix shader, from none to diffuse, and glossy. Press to the preview, make that to 1000, make that to nil. Now we will make a material. Make that a blue, make that to 0, 0, make that to 1000, like that, 1000, 0, 0. Right, let's make to the settings. Now press to 1000 and this to 0. Alright, now if you press from solid to rendered, you see it's just good. Now let's go back to solid. Now press here, make that to blue tube, press on the plus button, name that gray, press enter. Now if you want to use the same color I'm using, press to the hex, name AC, AC, AC. Then press this to 2. AC, AC, AC. Now come down to the settings, press AC, 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 like that. Alright, now let's name with the sphere. We'll make it red, like that. Alright, press caps red 0.001. Alright, now make the settings to press the hex, press FF0000. Now here it is. Now press to the circle, press tab, press A, press the faces button, Shift Alt on the keyboard, press these, press Ctrl Z. Alright, press this two, then press plus, make that to blue, make that plus, press FF0000. If you want to use the same color I'm using, write FF0000. 0000. Now go to the settings, make FF00000. Now okay. Now press Shift Alt 2. Make that. Press C on the button. Make these two. Alright. Now press the assign button. Press tab. You see, it's like a Beyblade. We've not finished with this Beyblade. Let's see on the rendered. From solid to rendered. It's looking so good. Let's go back to the solid. Press solid. Press 1 on the keyboard. Then press add, mesh, press circle. Make that down. Press tab. Again F, probably EZ, tab. Now press the smooth button. Now we definitely see we will make it up here. Wait a minute. Press GZ. We can make it up here. Right that. Alright, now press. Let's make a material. Now name that purple. Enter. Now press in the colors, make that right here, then make that to down. Okay, now press from solid to rendered. Alright, it's looking so good. Now press from rendered to solid. Alright, press 1 in the keyboard, go back, then press Shift A, mesh, then circle again. Press tab, F tab, press SY, like that, SY, right, press tab, E, alright, now go, press two faces, press here, and here, press extrude region, like that, let's click it to here, tab. Now we'll make eyes and a mouth. Now to make eyes and mouth, press to this face, press Shift G, then enter. Press S, press EZ, press Shift, make the top, press 1, like that way. Press to the eye of the circle and this, and press to the sphere. Alright, like that. Make S, make it down, like that. Alright, now make a new material, make that to dark blue, like that. The setting will be the right, make that to 0. Alright, now let's make the eyes and the mouth. Press plus, new, make that dark blue. Now press the material one, name that dark blue 0.001, enter. Now go. If you want to use the same color I'm using, like make it here. If you want to see, press the hex 0058E7. Let's write it here. 0058EE7. Like that. Right? Press the assign button. Press Shift D, X. Right. If you press Shift Z, you see in the render it's like I. Like that. Make that down. Press Shift D, Z, X. Press Y. Then press save on the keyboard. Now go to the edges. Press A. Press B. Make that just like that. Press Z. Let's make it 2. Here like that. Alright. Press X. Edges. Z. Now press Z, C. Press Z2. Press SX. Press G. SY. Like that. Right. Now press Shift D, Z, Y. Like that. Then press this edges. Press Shift here. Press merge, Alt center. Like this too. Shift, merge, Alt center. Now press Shift Alt. Press F. Tab. Shift Z. Press tab. Press assign tab. Shift Z. Now we've done with this with circle. Now press all of these eyes. Alright. Now make that up like that. 7. Press GZ. GZ. Make the cut down like that. Right. Now press GZ. Make that down. It's so big. Let's make S. Press scale button. Right. Now press the Y axis like that. And this will make a material in the settings. 38004C. Let's write it. 38004C. Enter. Right. Then press 1. Press Shift A. Mesh. Then play. Press tab. Make it down. Press S. 100. Make a new material. Name it white. Now we'll make a mission, a lamp. Press to the lamp, X, delete. Now press Shift A, plane. Press tab, G, press R, Y, 45, enter. Press scale, 5, enter. Press Shift D, X. Press rotate, then press Z, press 180. And press Shift D, X, and press R, Y, 45, enter. Press like that. Make that up. Press Shift this and press join button and press new. Name that emission. Press from diffuse to emission. Now when press, let's make the camera. Press from the view properties. Press lock camera to view. Press view properties again. Let's make the camera. Alright, here's our camera. Now press from solid to rendered. There's our bay, we will make it. Now, if you want to press render, press from render to the camera, press sampling, from the render, make it 500. Before we press render, let's save the file. Press file, save. Name that Beyblade .001. Enter. Now press save Blender file. Okay. Thanks for watching and please subscribe with this video. Okay, cheers.